ano sa empanyimfo no so ba sa no ombesa because empanyimfo no na kire nkwala na asa no se sa na hoti awokra so subanye bibia ni utrim enti wantimi an transfer bibia mankwada no utase ye bredodo jotwa ye bre
na se wo de wonnim papa ene kumi prakun ene nsem abaso ene eba so ni de
me chese me office shase eyusu word bi se eye photocopy complete eno na asa aba no se kwam de yentimi nto asetena mu ayede ne vat wonu aba ayedo so asa to vat mu ene ne nkeka ho eti se eye common sense niema ode ba ya ho kire na ba no eye sew sa ayede ogu nsem na no kura na address a wode mai wogina o ka taxes ho asem bio akufado o ka taxes ho asem bio a kire o man Ghana sabre awurade nyankopon yedi boni Ghana for aya no se to abama akoi yes boni aya ye pa no me hunu bi da se liter of petrol 19 to almost 20 cedis 23 na unim de me wan say still enya yo
Debi
enyai samahwe hu na nya de a ajai
fa opec for kra so mo betete nyoma so production krom limit no
se be ka se mi enti a mo ko conference bi a o se wo mo ko cheap look at the word cheap petrol the word no the cheap petrol e de a che se emo wo ho unkoto mo no okoto ase uto adua no so a ne bo ofo a uto adua ne bo odin
let the DNA de bre Nigeria de ni bi they say engine
una ma obete kan engine ejira eno na akufo do ko fa bele
led
wow ye ka we nyina amonte
ai
in
led one in the
in the diplomatic world
no na say for unleaded
yes
and anti-goy mu na say so mo te or led no so be tina ne bo no e wo you know yeah was enyomo
unleaded fuel only unleaded fuel only
now only one interesting thing say Ghana mentiase in the diplomatic world then am tisa ayoko said botwe wo kasa about Russia no nam say wurade nyankopon what kind of language is this condemning Russia from A to Z unim say na wanya saade na nke be ko Russia akoje petrol akoje diesel aba easy you don't in diplomatic world you don't do that also kwa na don sa kofi faso na uso yi unsa one would no you don't come out and condemn them 100%. Say no so don't suffer fast na na usoro call na upe we are neto no we no nyina no de o mutimi complain oh me nkrofo musumu ni bia mo de be mame one would Russia no and no open support support some nkrofo betenase because anyansafo o Russia nyina emu 80% na wo Ukraine anyansafo o the whole Russia now we say footballers say wo mukuta about world titles better Russia footballer no mu ba wo mu gidi ni nyina from Ukraine it is say eya na yaso aja wo mu mo mako won say doping ko anu wo mu ye ni e che wo mu ni e bande wo mu ba ade Ukraine for no wo mu no nyame bo mu as sportsmen
yeah
wow anything in fact you were problem sad demonstration way nke se wo mu timi mi ye ne be ye bosome ba ko continuously to make Ghana ungovernable for Akufo-Addo to get him out no Arzako but despite everything I'm not supporting say so je ni bia for tuomra
yeah on support ku asembia
dabi mudi munya ye no a munyaye krobia so saade we eba neko Tunisia do ye de ye Western Tunisia de no but still a wo ma anye se soja bia mbe intervene nia ye ne no a na mo wo ka kire m se mo mfatuo mekuya ne a mamoma wo ka kire m se mo mfatuo in America Trump efra one unity bi ka kire o mo se o mo attack Americans commander ka kire se wo mo de ne de wo a wo bekum America no mo no wo problem na mom America de wo mo no obi any problem wa ma ade na muti ya muti minka sa ankyere no ade na muka sa ankyere no sese kro no abutu bibia nya adwuma sese ni yura figalam sefo no wo mo gusu ya adwuma ana bi kan confusion aye basa sese no unim wa ese sonsono o se sonsono ne natural habitat no o firi hope oni ani nti wona ma no odi ntire pempem sa na akofo ado aye o hun so okọ nanim so obenachi so okọ nifa so okọ bonkum ena umusore a musi autopilot e de autopilot no auto no kura sei bibia no we da opo edwato a yanya president a e kire say wonwunu wo bia ho Nitimo diche owuo ofa mi to nyankopon akufo do ha o my Ghana wodi akwa kire over 50 years wonu amu gina ho wo se bibia ebe ye around 2028 na me koka 50 amati 2028 a woni aba mu no mo fa to wo mu nyina se edi ka egu wo mo so ye ka kire wo mo mantie empanyufo ye to ye huni ye ka kire mu wotimi ko radio station be tandako wana to yi mumu sado meboa menene hie abranti we ana mo hu de makofa abre o man no say less than 1 mile utia 6 cities 7 cities kromo hia o ufri airport run about edi ko duase ubetu ebe 8 cities boso me woji sen wako fa unua so na bo a wo ma obe president no no afọ oman no ye sika ne ye bibia na de adana se say the whole parliament majority no wo mu nyina so onsi form say yenye de bio Ghana for ma me ansori a meka se ansori a soja ni me mfrau o de gyaye no munyaye
ye mpiriku su
dabi ye mpriso o what trase o bakro obeba be worse than this.
It's true.
We have had enough.
Yeah.
De yenya no aye o de administration awo o be ye butubutu na bo etioku yen emabi na open to kwakwa me enko ka kire Burkina Faso fo ne emfa mo nko fam wo mo
ofa galamsey fo no kwa so
galamsey kura mu ntimi wo mo galamsey akufado yama soja yama police BNI yama wiasuma bibia de Ghana japade nyina ma nipa be ye 2% 3% a wo mo ye jo untimi mpam wo mo ya beka president a so wo ye adwuma che obi a ne nkwala belem no isim se na onye fault me entian da enti se ye tian no aye no nwanwa aye ne yase ye tian no until 1 2 3 was a momo mabaso kwan
oh my that's it
kwan na bebo abaso aban we papa
obanum so Alhaji Sani Mohammed so Benan so di mo mpe so ma woni mame ya
kojo yenche tiefo anopai obi a mfanchi aso kuma nya rasta fe ya so ka dutumti fe ya posomtwefo rasta former Fayette assemblyman
rasta mafino
ye chia we do
rasta mafino
be free me kokuma wu aye lady bi o yese msesa onu an ne baby ne bra pe ne so agu nti e fe na ekwe chire me free me ko ye kojo Ghana ye den na enra asoma e ka mo fan ko rent o
den
rent ɛno a lady bi nana ama mekyia ɔhyia no wayɛ dinam sister there ɔsɛ brother sɛ de mehu de meyɛ ɔnkora mi no wɔ chamber hall
tamaso
the tamaso ɔsɛ efiri wa sɛ 120 ɔdɛ sɛ efiri wa na kam na kɔsi 100 ɔsɛ brother mi ni 10 onye adwuma ayɛ sasa oni 10 na me hwɛ oni 10 oni 1000
oni 1000
ana efiri wa na so na ka sɛ ɔpɛde a chamber hall no ntwa 10,000
10,000 sɛ
100 million for 2 years chamber hall kuma se atom so area ɔsɛ 120 sama yɛ kan Ghana ehu wo you case kan efi mo baabi nkofo bɛda sisi na kɔyɛ wo si no kasa ehu yɛsɛ wodan so sɛ wodan so yɛ kuma se ne nkuro kɛse mu dia kɛsɛ edi ayo ahu de ya na me ne nkofo kasa no baabi ayɛ de no kɔ America na ha nipa ɛno a the month of October omunya 261 additional or the back 61,000
Joe Biden I me
261,000 annual October so na me Joe
Biden
I know cry is 3 days
same every month be at the beginning of the month the monthly report ba
October the no more buy
fuel kwajo is below $4 it's on the average $3.50 in America baby a year kwajo misro alaje Canada
Misro
alaje ti o misa ba mi sasa
dabi
hwe saade na yem pese beba no enye obi na se nko ba o situation na be ma hwe be compare ne self to baby am pese be ko yem pe but they say no kwajo sempenifo me am say minya kwa another station because say now me when I'm speaking to the big chiefs and the big pastors and imams ahemfo imams say sama kasa enani akina man sorry say Ghana yem pe de ekono papa de pe be hu na say na me say a young girl one na ma mienu yes 100 million onye adwuma onye den wa so wa Ghana han mo say wo mpe de o kan onye dey don't pen onye dey
alaji e panyin te o so tia
no understand it obi ampe o
before some head e ko so Burkina Faso
alaji
Niger Guinea ne keka o better so say in 4 years time answer
alaji obi ampe listen to me obi ampe
agreed
obi ampe but e na mo ya ma so obi ampe emma e na mo ye
da wo munya hu o
da mo ye na mo ye ehu o kodwe ehu
me to ase
ehu
issues na enya na the information ye ntimi nka
ehu
enti
asema deda asema muama no
they know
sema hweye kodwe enyo minimum no na munum se mo ye na mo ye
na o ka say Nancy president call ho a o call
ye da munum de na mo ye ehu
ai
no kure wo mu ne se sada no ka MPs na ma bodra nke nyina ke MP ka
dem nkenti ha ehu but as me say nobody is talking ede ne ye na do beka say person be pa na de to dwama na hu say ene ne eche me hu menya bibi afire mu
pa mon kokko no na mo bibi
mu wajo okasa ya na to petrol na 1799 and do 23
wa kasa ye no wie no a
1799 diesel I do 23 what are you talking about
na na campaign man no
I did it based on what
listen about bonten enne actually said you were a mistake
no listen listen I did that based on what he was saying and my beliefs obey my okay. And the condition any woman that time
no campaign man
okay but this if when the names obey there was no need for him to come Petro I done my free so on the 7th of January 1850
yeah
you know me and Petro
yeah minim
they say my jacket creative because I'm from team dollar was forced the 30% at that buy that time because you know board you na nje that you know my Kenya na nyu ene ya do baby edu ya what are you talking about to busa am say na to anya adwuma e deliberate to na say ko e deliberate politicians dem ya Ghana mu hwe yo me say ma hwe a Ghana the empe na benya because to ko and say yo call farmer a friend say as the concessor to ascend and say call him me say call as the concessor to ascend and say
I don't know say as the concessor reviving
why call as the concessor why is store not working why he left to deliberate and normal go for Ghana and na nanom ekasefo na we dukuru se man kasa de empene behu kwadwo am sound a cousin I see Ghana no baby me hu Ghana me mpe enye na betra ayi me fa taxi fra to zu ba na me say cedi
6 cities
yeah
cities
taxi
Chabata Johnson to her 6 to tax 6 cities
wow
Totro no. Ye de taxi.
Me for taxi. Totro be 4 plus.
Totro could be 5 6 in say for.
Me free me tina e gwa kroma 6 this Totro.
Wow.
System na ko enyo. Alaji enye on the year so unya income be eba. Ama wo de akwa de wo de. That's a difference wa how. Na madam for US Kwame. Na me o say na mko obaga na ko nche. Was na mko na muso mudidi. Oba no ka jam say that time ko oba okwa na Ghana sa asafoja wo. September na you October dey say kra. Was it me tiam na ka me $100 a day da.
What you mean?
Oba Ghana say udi $100 a day easily.
$100.
Also na uniska.
No, say it will say how are we surviving? Now say bro. Ya den nyame ache. Ya den nyame ache o. Ya den nyame ache. Hwe na we na ye no. Problem na nye foreign external you internal. Ko you want to mention there na me for manunsi. Ghana a problem e aduane die. You will land there debate me agree. Cost you say net me produce the o say nya ni na ba form no. Agree Mr. President and no man odinachi. Edu ko slim. As I said, Dr. Clay, near see a dear blue toward the year. Can't we do? Why is it one village, one dam? Why is it? Why is it? What has been the impact?
Now you call her Palugu baby cry any ho.
Now, Mr. Why is it?
Over 3 years.
Maybe a president could try me documentary. Any ho, or quite confirm or Chinese from when you must only me. Not pen for to come and suffer for. Let's no suffer to time is a remember. A bad preacher, I'm the preacher. I remember 2,000 years they can you. Who won away yaba? A remember. Mr. Wa we yabas. What chasin we ye my.
Excellent.
Me back boy sounds. I said daddy. Me ka cha kwa say. Dem me ka. After 2021 your friend say December.
Hey. Why pay you move?
And me ka tell say. Be 3 years ago. No school football am so 1 year no. Na the sky is the limit. Akwa mu na odi kum. Dad, what's it? Dad, why are you saying that the
sky is the limit?
Yeah, now they're bro.
The sky.
No, so Dad, why are you saying the sky is the limit? People are going to the moon. Why are you talking about the sky?
If you come, you don't say sky.
I'm saying, yeah, from my crying, yeah. Into the so America, then the heavens should be on. So now you are talking.
I say, I didn't kutano. If you are comuna,
Papa said the sky is the limit. What's it? Why is it sky? Just my dabba form. The people are going to the moon. Look at the thinking. Okay, so I know Nyanya 20. No, he was about 17, 18 years.
Yeah, Drew Moon no say sky. Sky is so far play. Yeah, sky and then I'm
Kwado, near do Hankempe. Yeah, for me.
A big top lot to a mass.
So,
aye.
What are we doing? Yes, sir. Yes, 8 million baby. Now, me dem have me. Nana do down Kwakufuado. And then penny for I don't know Kenya. Be on much my use one. Planning for food job. And when what is one factory? How many factories? And I couldn't put 100. Could Vesta oil be a system there? I was there when another open Vesta oil. Or say, I want to see one factory. I was there. I want to know, I want boy, no, say, Vesta oil. Money, I didn't be a Modiama than anyone tunnel. Now, may catch the politicians say, Sad Democrats with the MPB. Democrats and this bar, who are bend, what, and when this vote now, what bend, no way. And people, what been away, you know, there has to be a revision on this constitution. See, I know with immediate effect. Yeah, know with immediate effect. Ghana, the emperor, you make catch me. I know with immediate effect. The emperor, right? Now say, me buy. Now, me go for you now. Who bear me now? As a farm body, he was just a PR. Now we MP.
As a for
any young boys, be baby, I'm going to do. See, I'm going to handle. Now, we'll be on the course. We are not on the come dinner. What's your fight democracy and tell my name? It's one my party will be there on 1 year.
Aye.
Something need to be done.
Yes.
Something ought to be done.
Yeah.
And it's immediate. And yes, and train.
All right.
Nananum. As for imams, Mon Kasana immediately a baby happen because Mr. Ghana Namintimina. What's the black?
Yadwa. 120. Wouldn't you say, oh, sir, will be a co for Newman by finance minister. Now, when Nipa Crono and Jabusia Magana or bank or bar no attempt for Swoko.
The Democrats are making
and nobody is talking about this. Oh, me, I know, be the Quakwa, the Biabon. What are you people doing?
Charlie Spices, Charlie Spices, they say press and there was no Osaka press spices, ebe kunipa. One shall be wuntem, and untina press and a cosrono. But just oh, yeah, quine, oh, yeah, Dianibi at this time, oh, yeah, natural spices. And Charlie Spices, precursor, dear ginger, onion, garlic, dear Charlie Spices. Udi Guma, now I why? Tip Charlie Spices 0246 955-678. Plan maintenance be baso. ECG say omo be plan maintenance. Yes, Sunday if you are Chineko, Entimamu wa Kokoso, Boshen, Abrepo, Muntieni yo, Kokoso, Boshen, Abrepo, Esubontain, Ohim, military barracks, Nyanchenya say Sofo line, Quada Susun Treso, Bantama Swami, Kejetia, Cultural Center, so ye boa Tano so, Poku Krum se passe. Hiawa besiase ebuakwa intense remfensi kontomrin kawie nyine behim pasetia abakumade koforidia mankranso kunsu boatin krom bonkwaso any by kese munyina from 10 to 3 ochina mo lights no yebedum no amamo. Why? Because I also may plan maintenance. Your live for Pemsan TV, so live for Pemsan TV. Into no because any network in a harding. Ubetimi share or Pemsan TV was can or multi TV. You also. Awuni.
Yay.
Meet you. Whom you preco reload.
Na, my chairman, I'm the original elections of the NDC.
And then some more
Zuba. Mamche Zuba Kakra.
Zuba, how can I
me get intented?
Mate,
Alaji, sorry. Alaji, I'm say the intra, Misha says, Alaji, I can't be Obi, I can't be one can cry Ghana for soon in Bibri, and that Ama. I say, me, Yana Mihuni Pamo Bocacra. Be I say, oh, actually, babies are. Now, him, Abraham Nado, Nya Quenya, na or near Becassan.
Yeah,
and Sembia Nami person coming, Nya, and come a Tiffy Nado, Ebini so. The enemy kono
the nan capes what
and the nan besamiti
catch him
and so the enemy kono me nanado me sorry say me share my boss
he's a coward
me share my boss say me demo ko me bema mo asatana pa because that was politics
yeah
to improve the lots of the people. That was the promise. Say Sabrina na Jo Mahama tesono mum na enye papa now we had to be a woman. It tells you say na me promise ne say me be ye niam yi from Mahama na ye was sati be we mu ma anya de and that me pache wo ho it should be an honest admission. There also e was enka o ka kire ye say oh Kenoforiata mo na mama me akwanya say me nsom Ghana man na me ba ye ma yi Kenoforiata say o mbeboa me but mo amoma me 2 minutes 2 mi hye mo nsa no mo amosi mo hwe na dwuma enye mapam Kenoforiata with immediate effect na do timinya koduro we kan ya kam su sen kasabri Kalaji in spite of a common ne yiri nyina Kalaji ani bring
Kenoforiata koya
exactly
okay
oh ebia na do kana me san hwehwe se obaka se oh unim omo ba ba mu no na niema mu go omo ba ba mu no omo se niema mu ede no na niema mu go na sika wo system no mu nti aban no yi ministers nko 127 so mo medi Ghana for sika 127 ministers mo medi Ghana for sika afi chief executive officers omo government agencies aban no yi chief executive no yi deputy first deputy no yi second deputy ni nyina na yesika di scheme yo mo bedi o man sika I don't know aka ho ama ene omoka Ukraine ene Russia ene COVID kakra sa from maboni kakra na wo so ye no e de abubu ye bibia ma ne yada ne bafan ya te forma
ensema na ka pese o keke
exactly me sa pese o ka kire ye say taxes are media to petroleum so onim say ye tua the friend price stabilization levy I say ye de boa no total recovery to maintain the toll refinery
any new
and no ye tua Ghana for some fifre tua o
enso eni ho
come crowd wo tia na ye man kana sem
de may ye fan say
ebeba
stabilization levy ye gigi sika say kosoro dodo a na ye de asoya sene se kofom dodo a aban so be hia sika na ye de san de no so aso aban asene minua chese sika no aban na hwia wadi odi na o ma ye ho kire onim say ye covid mu fuel prices go negative on the world market enye positive from 0 to baby any free bia drew zero equal negative. Do you know what it means to say fuel prices fuel on the international market called negative? Now if supplies the fuel called German so omunya baby emfa engu ekwa na yaton nti na ye ba be hu wo gallon a ye say o ma yenhwie ma ye ma usika na ye mfa ye store ya yi wa hakra. They needed a place to keep them. Price stabilization sabre na abana ka kire say oboka nti price stabilization levy no onjai ontimi man yem benefit from the ekoso wadwaman so no ye kosu tua aboarding for fuel ekoso so asa nti amamuo ben what kind of leadership na ye wo no uye no free ho a Mrs. Senka omampanyini kobeka kire say efiri na ekọ mayo kukukuku na mabeduru ba bia maduri at least minim kra me o nyame aye madon me wo 2 former presidents ya omo fa tibia bi ana omo bedi omo yiso pen ti efiri na ekọ me be organize regular meetings with omampanyini dada Mahama Nikofo na mape omo ho adwenkyere e de aboa abu oman no omampanyini o sa meetings no ye nim se o sa meetings no also mampanyini sa ka kire yen de nnem anka me oka me bobajo so bi no no also mampanyini ka kire say flight a me ko a na ma fa flight chartered flight 20,000 euros per hour e de nam no me twa so o man na ho kire aba me twa so enti say sika no e be ba beto e botom na afei efre no ayi goods and services a me consuming in my office over 3.7 billions no. Yeah, me send wo my office no mateso presidential staffers no matebiso na ehia se isa yen oman nankasa ye funding cathedral yeah on this oman panyin so obegina platform so say cathedral no de ye besi on that video no me mahwe no o say cathedral no de ye besi oman panyin samre cathedral no besi ye de cathedral ye den ogina ayi so ya criticize no say cathedral ne de obesi what the why sika ne besi ya oman na ye ni bi no ya ene trotro unim say trotro ni trotro meet any passenger akon ama yesi ba akon wu ankran it was a report
yes over
2 cities
and anwumre no me beda me hwe ba akon na oba ene be ma wa holu no
please get the video
bebre spread it ahokyere chenchirincha abeto eso no omampanyini untumi fasika ne emmoa ye kwambia so odi besi cathedral yankopon kora ate ne bobefu uye no firi ho a uye no firi ho a mesusu se the auditor general report ya manfo fa hu wie sika amanfo fa hu wie sika o yetimi wie sika eni kwanse yetua ebi ni sika konfo anochefo tam koko tua eto cars ebra covid-19 ahokyira ba na da koto Camry car say omutwi mekoka ya si yimadi sang kwasi ya cars sika tua na public agencies leaders ayi wo mu disa nam kwanwasa bisu disika no these are things was abanka say auditor general report sika yadi wo mu bia me bete committee ye gi no aniadinzo ye beji
wawu kura no asidan
ye beji ye beton ena ko take sa radical step no ye gigi a sesika no ko akora nka ye nya IMF ohunu measures a miki kanchire wi o ka kire Jesus ni akwala otiase no mampanyina asema obeka ye die de okikan me yi de okikan ye ni bi se eye measure na no obusa hu say how is that going to be done nyame anim omampanyini de obeka ye no anto yasum mem se na amanfo kika se wo so obanka wanka zere wa meka bibia
de na wo abubo sui
wanka
na we expect so obeka
when na isusu se oka abeboye de to so kra ya wo ye ni su kese akonwa wona ma na otama akonwa de ato no VT mu hwefu welbo anano me ko wi amase anano me ko wi amase na me ko duru ye obi kwa na dum me 200 cedis na me so we de me wo trip wo wi amase continue me de beko ti me ko duru ye no me frofro me trotro ko duru ye no na me wo ayi be se bi afri awon junction ko labor be bi mienu miensam me beko na me tam 100 cedis e de ma me taxi driver we madam fo se onje na ye beko ha ne ha na o see you no de ko bu fuel ti ye ko labor to awuragaja hye baako bae ɛna me kodi me nkɔmɔ ana me wiam sɛ yɛnkɔ ha so yɛkɔ hɔ bae a ɛsɛ yɛbɛsa akɔ ha zero ɔkɔra ka de dwudwiri bu na ɔse fuel asa wo
1 gallon ato
100 cedis no trip nketewa yi o ɔse fuel na sa wo
wotɔ 1 gallon
what mehwɛ saa am sɛ hey 1 million
1 gallon ato
matimi ankɔ me trip na nketenkete saa o asɛ open temti and can you say kwan kamen nante boy
under John Mahama de na na say enye no ka 1 million timi to 5 gallons.
Can you imagine?
More than even 5 gallons.
Sabre no na me kwana me man 50 Ghana. Me ye trips ni nyina ma o sanya bi me bakra na ka me na me sika e wo me ho no sua because na enga san ka na o say me kakra so no so because de to fu no kra san man timi kra nkwa nwi na ono ankasa oye adwuma no ono so ne de we na me sana ka ura na menim no nti na me de brambram so na me sorry bye. Can you imagine? Ahochira ye na munie na do wotama konwa de tena e de to V8 mu
20 gallons
na enam okwa na nam hwe ne convoy
air condition
na do aka kire omo sika no omo sa de omo de sheka boot o de granted say obi tim no I want purpose na omo de sheka boot yes sa de no kwa hye ya bufu ade nti na wo sa de akonwa tena ka mu de nam na ka wa ya ma ye o se o mi kura sa akonwa na me de ato me ka mu a mu su no me jai sa akonwa na ye o ye de Ghana for yetusu se oya ebeboa de ahonhare abre ye
kwa broche dia onfanko
eno na kira wo se enye genuine na ye trimode na obo yen onim alaji sani be wi o kan asem bi o se na do na adwunu ye ne se wa ya de pa o se osua no na o ase o ya antia no
ye nche da nche
de mi hunu ni se ase ono osusu se wa ya de pa o nti se de are zik bo de jiro I was Latin me say bomb modi pa and I'm here say tina na bo fu no de hwe no okasa you can see from na nipa say o say bomb modi pa na mo kasa say no wadwa I don't know na ma abufu no kasa okasa wie ya bo say abufu no
na ma so ame run about ko jira say ai mo ka me ho nsɛmpa ni nyina mo nim begu ase ba
eya bufu
all right
eya abufu a onim sɛ oya adwuma pa but ye hu no sa entina na onti na ye de ka no ewum saa so na tie na nam sɛ ono no ye gigi o mani sika ma no oyi de opɛ de ye de opɛ ni nti ohunu saa ahokyerɛ no yesrɛ no na ahokyerɛ no ye real
Insurance 104.5 kukura ntumi na enra ye ne opanyi Sam Charles etwetwe nkomo ɛwɔ kroimu nsɛm obi di shofre amanfo na etenem na ɔse the way as say restaurant nyoma no boae de enche otofufuo na obeton kwan ani stew enti otofufuo na yemfa nkwan ni nguso direct maw
saa na beba
otofufuo na so otofufuo 5 6 enkwan sen na wato enkwan no ansa na wato nam aha ti first na na bia otofufuo the akane ye 1 minute bi mam fama for rapper mi so bi
kojo ya be kasa nyina se bia se bi obi na hu ye o man be ko kojo misuru na hu 79 na me hu 81 na nye ade a prison nobody wants that na me de me change enye bibi ene enkosa target no o man ebuo baby am kwata America 16 years no o mo dwen nipa ho aha ya democracy na be ye ne ya ban ne ye dia it is nya 8 years ye ne nya position ye dia you we be 8 one bi we be 8 one bi we be 8 one bi a onka ho ye sa anya ye entimi de me appeal to enope de me kan ye empanimfo mo Ghana mutimi ni president hia no papa fo mo mama ni na mo nkasa because my catch say we ohene wo hwe ye wo na nkra nya ba fe say come de me aduane ni na ba so na nkra ba gu fi I want him say come de me aduane ni because there's no job for them to do
no hope
enti e come so de one day enti yesre say the papa kwabran to for kwabran do for say e come e de pedede no sa ba bia ye ko no de no hwe na escalate because kwajojo anto me bia fi na uni scale mo aduane dia my survive to survive no ebia ne ampe Ghana be won ebinsi da obia nyuntum say ebinsi da yen hwe solution and then e china ya solution na nka say Ukraine Georgia no Ukraine share border crowd why didn't say
all right alaji
Nano Ukraine ekoma Somalia any Ethiopia omo koche omo grain worth $12 million.
Omuguso. Yeah.
Mebwa.
Aye, it's true.
Ukraine are walking to Kono.
Manko for Diane.
Was a man for Diane.
None say even this week, Russia and Ukraine say cow boom for Diane Yecho.
Aye.
Tintokwane koso dry idea Diane no do. Omo cow Diane.
Sa a common kumanipa.
Sa block, Omusu here wheating in as if to move air yen share and fed Diane the Omunina air general no me.
But what I know is say that one no pay. Nanado is a coward.
You for
me who Peter. Sa somewhere by Sanka no bedu krana can so come out to own up. Said ye na awunika. Bepemuna one and crow for no they defend it. Why do you defend this? Ade Nanado upasa kum ye nyina na waje de o plan sinyina wu. You don't deserve to be where you are. You are a coward. 1 gallon na 100 cedis. Hey, Akufo-Addo. Akwawe mumo ndeje ano sheka kiki.
Keno frata.
Dabi. Oh, wo shecha no heka kiki. What party? Kofi wayo. Was it Nana do ado? Was it Nana? What? Nana do ado. Nana udinu no do ado.
Anyway.
Say ya brew.
All right.
Ya brew uni bibia. Ya intellectual so ho.
All right.
Womu wa legon free. Womu wa take her free. Womu nyine tu fu si mintie. Mi wa so utiri no atente ho kura nim.
All right, thank you. Awuni.
Nana.
Yeah, quick one. Na me be lines. Quick one. Me be lines no. My member line Mr. 03220-835-81 03220-835-82 03220-835-83 03220-835-81 835-82 835-83. Yeah, I want it quickly.
Yeah, our minor dear bedroom, yeah, recklessness. That is all your problem in Anno.
Yeah,
Sikadi Bonnie, Chrono, yeah, skillfully, no more real minor near man. And one dear drew by the edry. Hence our Ghana dear, and cat, ye be yet said, ye better musrum concra. But Obia ba, yeah. Obia ba obefum or how no be creating a wealth, and that is the problem we have.
Yeah,
Nanado at least Maba says yes, more DVA, Jackie, Monfansum Ghana for. Which rabba Monfansum ye, Namunya did no ye, Messa Chrono near dinner, Akoswano, more DBA, ye. It is okay.
Thank you,
dear. Because where Enra made a TBB Fast Scholarship Secretariat on. Now share said the binum siman at ye Naisica.
The Wunya party,
ye Naisica Lajisani. How ready you?
A be lines, you know. Mammy Quenya win so Emma Yenina Yahoyako, Afrane family Nina, Afrankra family Nina Yako, Yenia Penny, Mamuni Mafrane, Kucha Frane family, Amape, Yenia Penny, Afrane sanitations. And run no free mo bra frane and run na young crass over from frane sanitation one munima or chain those sanitation who your mano were free men ra emane yako and then so na yenia Ramsey sports on so of free money na yene basu tikrum nti yene de doso pa ya sem anyway. Hi, good morning.
Hey,
yeah, Nancy Bunsu into
Karachi, Michael Buru, Krogura, Chiano, Cat, Minion Najantua. There be a more fit in Swameka, media for money in ye. May come on, I could say. On Mampani, that dance Shaya, and Rameka, what it to honor. So called regulation, no. I didn't yet. It won't come for a comb when the Makaman Pado. And every day and night, Adentina media for Muni kind of one shoe set on my penny, Sanshano, one token, go down, Nadia, and the patrol of blue. Last week, can fit you so. Mrs. Shazia, not Sanshaya, who way, you talk, your cost, talk so. And lose administration, Quadruple Mathematic, but not patrol, I cover 2 million.
All right, thank you very much. Hi, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Opa. Your friend Thomas, the Casabrian and Stable Brassi.
All right, to meet you.
Mr. Alajani. I thought I can do. I will worry there. Opa, so Obama begins to get now. One in one part about me, the rent, Kuliata. Oh, what is the Oba for Pella? Baumia, Vice President, Oba Honor, and I say, one in a month, what is that? Akola and Mammy.
Thank you very much, Kunkran to me. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Penicas here.
Yes, sir.
Mediana before.
Meet you.
Okay, Abu Muchama or Bossa Dance. Why?
Right, meet you.
You, the woman you say. Monday, Gamamacha, His Excellency John Damani Mahama. Yeah, Obama, your fans, Sancho de Fan to my papa fry. Well, you want to be Waha, or see hospital, or see a fence and market my end and pay me China Papa. Your money say, 3 be just a G and Missy. Then I don't know a car say it is the council comedy game. And now so a car say, and I'm a mumble is can I when you are now saying for Frogpine. Yeah, but me a car say JM, yes, incompetent, no when you are now when you are now. And I'm going to say, for the Namutality, a bit more, Yamutality, Mamma, and so you put you as Santimemu, Yanni, and so many, didn't you know, we need more than Hana, Bishop Ayaso, Bishop Mbato, so for Unina.
Thank you. 30 seconds, Asuma Binson Brebi. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Yes, sir. What do you meet you?
Yeah, Mr. Na Adia Mamma, who said, Ofe na do amambo ipa na nkaye jo mama breast na nka amanwe eba sa fifu ya sei pa na nka media fo ebesia kafa asitna munye ene so be gan ha omo amudidi meya ka trebi so ndi abahin ndi sei nka wa makura nkaye.
All right, thank you very much. Inshallah 104.5. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, morning. Yes, sir. Me too.
And I could see a situation, Mamma Chan wife. What we are for, that be a mistake. And you know, yeah, I said to Mamma, who can a crunchy, Christmas, you know what you happy. Christmas, you know what you are not empty for so many. Omania, Umahu. Obedi Bajati defended. Oko hospital when Dr. Manahel. Oko MP no Wahel. Who defended over the Lekufa de Yako. Yakam with Muntiano. John Droman Muhammad, go to Minister Concrono, and no Mafino. Say MP for Munio.
All right, thank you. Yemfa wins last caller. Good morning.
Oh, thank you, Chair.
Me too.
Your fellow Hamza.
Me too. Yanko.
And send you more than Commander Kwasi. Chama 1. Ah, number 1. Ya me metre delegate through one man na kwati mu hunu mo ndemo na mo to so na ti ala na ba cha fo e bi mu bi nya ko ka mo fa ah ye ye kan nyina ne se dia na yi sani kai no ala yi sani ma gra ko ti bi su pa president na ku kwado no ya pala no ye ti no nge se na ase ko da ka bi ka o je na ku kwado aka me bi se ono me na no pa se me bi aro ko skua ni ta ko se wo kwem ani sa do no ye ti en se ne wa se ma fo bo no ho ka ka bi a wasi wo kwa ba mo ko nyina ya ko tia mo ka oh ento woni ni o ye na ku kwa ni ni o ye ndi no ka nya wo sala ala yi sari sa mo ka no ka ya tia ni da na me mo fo bo ho ka trenti no wo bi so ya tia tia ye ana ko be na be spark ka sam ka tia tia se wa wo ye ba ku kwa wo no ba
all right, thank you very much. Abusa ya da se ya da mu nyina amase ye pontie free a ye for ne de do so pa ofana wo kan ye bi
former engineer for KM Mr. Ampoma ne de so eba so
oh okay
na me aduma echna
oh okay
waterfall estate junction
oh okay thank you happy birthday to Bernardine. On say Bernardo and Bernard. We are Bernardine Abena Sika Kusi Apia. Also who aneze udiska koko mabusia for no. Happy birthday to Bernardine Abena Sika Kusi Apia, aka Lady Baska. Esi nimpon we free o papa set Kusi Apia lab technician eno maame ho any multimedia enti Lady Baska Bernardine Abena Sika Kusi Apia. Happy birthday multimedia for Sinyini 104.5. I was saying that say passports air 12 so na analysis no and the man person twa bet no so I hey ya yemfa kumi preko no